Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making some slime. We're going to make some little slime and then a big slime. Not a big one, but a little one. A medium one, okay? So first out, I have my glue. I'm going to put a little bit of shaving cream in here. There. Just a little shaving cream because it's a little bit of mixture. So we're going to mix it. It's already fluffy. Dang. I only put a little bit in, but do you see how fluffy that is? Now I'm going to put a little bit of sparkles in here. Let's put some blue. We're going to put some just natural blue sparkles in here. Let's put some more in there. There we go. That should be enough. Yep, that's good enough with the sparkles. Now, we're going to put my contact solution in there. If that doesn't work, I also have some baking soda. Some of it up, and you don't want a lot for a little mixture, you just want a little bit. Oh gosh, I'll fix it after. I don't know why that makes it, I don't know why that makes it so well. The baking soda makes it so much thicker. See? Now add my contact solution in, and it makes it so it's not sticky. After it's not sticky, you want to play with it. So here's the slime when it's done. It's really stretchy and it feels really nice. And here's the poke test. So that was a good poke test. That was a good slime, so I'm going to make my next one in a little bit. So I have my bowl. Now I need to put my glue in. There. I might make another one after though. So you can get as much glue as you want. Then you put your shaving cream in. So you can add as much shaving cream as you want. Okay. There. I'm gonna add that much. Okay. Probably gonna be fluffy too. It's gonna be fluffy also. See? This one I don't know if I'm going to put any sparkles in, but I should. So good. So I mixed it in. Now, smells good. I'm going to put some multiple colors in. So I'll start with pink. And these are cheap sparkles. You don't want to add too many sparkles, but as much as you want. Okay, so I added some sparkles. And that's the sparkles. I'm going to put some blue in there. Also, love when you put blue sparkles in there. So pretty. Use a little bit more. Oh gosh. Okay, so I mixed the blue sparkles in. Now I'm going to finish it up with contact solution and baking soda. So it's getting thicker, like really thick. So I just added some shaving cream to, not shaving cream, baking soda, and it's getting really thick. So then you just keep adding your mixtures of baking soda and contact solution until it gets to the consistency you like. Like this one, it's almost ready. See, it's almost ready. I need to add more contact solution. Contact solution helps it from getting less sticky. So like it makes it so it's not sticky from sticky to not sticky. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just adding some contact solution so it's not sticky. Okay, I can play with it. So after you, just like my other one, after you think it's the good consistency, you can play with it with your hands. Like this, it's a really good consistency. It's just still sticky. So what you want to do is you want to add more contact solution. Do you see how it's still sticky? See? And don't be scared to take it out of the bowl, but I'm just saying, when it's really sticky, don't take it out of the bowl yet, or else it will stick to like everything. And then you just want to knead it with your hands for a little bit, and it gets less sticky. I still need to put more contact solution in it. Mix it for you. I'll be back when it's ready. So now it's a really good consistency. And this is how stretchy it is. It's really stretchy, and I'm going to do the poke test. Yeah, I love the poke test. Comment down below which one you like better, this slime or the little one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye!